Good morning ka, blessed. Nagkakape na pala kami. Yeah, just one or two. Toasted with butter. It's time to go Banbarin. Let's buy chocolate, mga ka-blessed. Yeah, chocolate. That's the Filipino weakness.
Want something? Bring chocolate.
Let's get ready. Yung bata natin is tulog pa din. Good morning, God blessed. We are now heading to Banbury. Papasok na tayo sa Banbury. Nakalabas na tayo ng Donnybrook. Let's go and buy some goodies for pasalubong. Banbury na tayo, ka-blessed. Yehey. BW, Marcus.
So don't follow the saying city center.
Just go on pa.
Just go on and do the next to the right.
Right or left? Hey, we are here now. Yes. Yeah, no indicator. Wow, full parking. You can park here na lang. No choice. Oh yeah. So we don't need to just walk na lang later. Yay!
Maybe what I think first.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's lunch na pala. Let's eat muna. Mga ka-blessed.
You want McDonald's?
You want to eat first? Let's go, Marcus. Moana can't decide.
No, and the price is gone. What happened to your price? You want food? Yeah?
Yeah? Okay. Let's eat.
You wanna talk again?
Yay!
Your mouth goes up and down. Your question.
I need to change my clothes later.
Coke. Frozen Coke. Nuggets. Burger. Meron pa si Moana.
The stickers.
Ubus na.
It's not a sticker.
See, andito tayo sa McDonald's Banbury. Ayan. And Moana is not yet finished. She's drinking my frozen Coke. Ay. So, andito kami sa Red Dot, mga ka-blessed. Yan, nabili natin. Ayan.
Yeah, this is mine.
O, diba? Ang ating magtatay nandyan.
This is yours. Your card
Bumili ng mga yoga mat. And then, may kababayan tayo
is too big.
na meet dito.
I don't want
Kakababayan. Taga Davao din sila. English pa. Kasi nanili siya ng pabango. Oh, this is cute, Daddy. Look. Can you get me? 75 cents na lang. 3. Looks cool. Ayan, oh. 75 cents na lang. How many pieces inside? No. 5 or 5? So we have 15. It's cool. On sale sila ka-blessed. Lahat, no? You know the Revlon is too expensive. Now $8 na lang. You hear that?
No, you always hear it. Once you have it, you go there.
Daddy, oh. Andito na tayo sa business center, mga ka-blessed. Yun yung dome. Diyan kami kumakain dati. But since nagmakas na tayo, hindi tayo mag-dome. Simuha na, nauna na. Oh, all is white. Nice. It's summer. Oh, you want to look your vitamins there later? Yeah. We come here too. Yeah. Come on, Mama. Pumasok kami dito sa parang pharmacy. Wala yung vitamins ni Daddy. So, let's go here in Big W. Ayan na, Big W. Ang bata natin. Tapos na kami sa Big W. Let's go Coles mga ka-blessed. Kasi ang Big W at saka isang shop na pinuntahan natin, Ejek shop, walang chocolate. Kalong.
Wow. Lion pink, blue, purple, and red, with orange, with green, and white, yellow,
Yes.
and brown. Brown, 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 and brown. Always brown, money no.
Mamahal. Hindi natin carry. Tsaka na pag may work na tayo. Pag may work na tayo. Tsaka na tayo. Ayan, nakabili na tayo. Mga labadudes. Let's make our family happy. Look at that.
Mom, look.
Yes.
Look.
Wow.
This is for the cars. It's here. Look. That goes there. And this is goes right here. It makes sense. And this goes there. Like that. You see?
Grabe. Ang mamahal ng iba.
Look, that's the cars. Here.
You can find it. Oh, they have nga.
The one more in the town.
Yeah. Would be nice if there is a
Daddy.
medium size.
Wow, this is
That's
the
it.
car.
Yeah.
Daddy, this is the car. You can put the where the car.
Then, itong banana.
Mommy,
Gusto ng ating CJ.
mommy.
Oh, mami. Masaya ang bata natin.
What?
We are waiting for Daddy. Naghahanap ng chili sauce. Kaya natin pumasok sa Target. Baka meron tayong makita doon na mga extra na pasalubong. Ang sarap magdala ng mga pasalubong ka-blessed. Ang problema lang is limited ang luggage mo. As in. Done our shopping mga ka-blessed. Finally, nakabili na tayo ng chocolate. Yes. Ayan, Toblerone. Go going home. And gusto kong ipakita sa inyo ang nabili ko for $5. Yay! From $27 goes to $5. Yan, ang dami. It's Luisa. Wow. For the girls, pasalubong tayo sa ating mga girls. It's Daddy's turn. Ang dami pong pipilian. So cute. As in, di ba? Oh? Hindi na tayo nag-stop over sa Dunibo, Blessed. Kasi ang bata natin tulog na. So, stop over muna tayo sa Bridgetown campsite na may playground dyan sa likod. Try natin gisingin ang bata. But she looked too sleepy. Itsura natin ka, Blessed. Nagkandamao. Doon sa Luisa Jeweler Shop. Dapat ang bibilhin ko talaga doon kwintas. So po, mamahal naman ang mga kwintas. Hindi naman mga tunay din. Fashion lang ba? $30, $40. Ako. Diyan na lang tayo bibili sa Pilipinas ng kwintas. Bakit pa paano? May laman ang ating leg. Diba? Yung mga silver ko na kwintas dati, wala na, nakaputol na. Simuha na. Ang galing magpanira ng gamit ko. Kung makita akong silver gold, katulad nito. Ay, silver gold. White gold pala. Na kwintas, yun lang bibiling ko. White gold. Ang hikaw natin. Cute lang. Let's move again, ka-blessed. Makain kami na snake. How do you put it? Snake lang. Jelly. May ibang flavor. Itong yellow lemon. So, time check. 17. So, it's 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5:25 na. So, makarating tayo doon maybe 6:25. So, see you at home mga ka-blessed. At, i-haul natin yung mga kapamilya natin. Our little chick is awake. Ayan. Ano na siya? Hapon na. Mag-alas 6 na ka-blessed. We have a good day today. Mainit. Bahay na tayo, ka-blessed. Ayan ang ating mga pasalubong, ka-blessed. Cadbury. Ayan mga toys sa labas. Ayan. Nakatuwa lang. Pasensya na. May family. Unti lang yan. Ayan. Ang ating toothpaste. Yes, good idea. Good morning, ka blessed. Today is Sunday.
Packing day.
Yes, finalize our packing. And let's put our
Another 20 kilo.
please don't declare. Yeah, not bad. Because the other little one is still empty naman. I still have 7 kilo on my hand carry. So all good. Yeah, our chocolate. And then I will show you the rose buds last time. Now it's open. Looks beautiful, ka-blessed. But no one has kalat is still here. Look at that. O, diba naalala nyo? Wow, open na siya. Looks so good. Looks beautiful. Parang ako lang. Ay, charot. Natuwa ako bigla eh. Pagkagising ko sa umaga, nakita ko buka na. Not bad. For me, I cut rose buds just to accent the other one. But now it's open. Ito din, oh, open na din. Oh, may maliit na, oh. Naging dalawa na siya. O, diba? So cute lang. Ang ating mga chocolate. Ayan, ilagay natin lahat yan sa ating luggage. Tada! Another chocolate pahabol. Ayan ka, blessing. Ang ating mga chocolate. Hindi tayo kakasya doon yung iba. See? Parang pa nga ito. Baka Paano ko kaya ito gagawin? At ayan pa. Ito pa, oh. Goodness. Nagbabagods tayo nito. Ayan, oh. Update sa ating packing. Tapos na, mga ka-blessed. Tapos kami, maybe 2 o'clock, no? We done packing. Andito na sa labas lahat. But our Moana wants to bring something. She wants to bring something. She wants to bring her friend to the Philippines.
Mommy,
Look.
I found a bear like
Yay! Now you can visit Philippines too, Dolly. Wow!
a jump like a mermaid.
And ayan na, ka-blessed. Yung mga yan, wala pa mga 30 kilos yan.
Mommy, I'm to be a mermaid.
So, all good. This is Moana's hand carry. Yun na sa amin. Ang handbag ko.
Excuse me, Mommy.
Yes.
Look, I'm the mermaid.
O, diba? As you can see, malinis na dyan. Wala na yung bag natin. O, diba? Kasi nandun na nga sila. So, ngayon, try natin mag-edit, ka-blessed. Try ka mag-edit.
Mommy, can I get my mermaid?
O, diba? As you can see, malinis na dyan. Wala na yung bag natin. O, diba? Kasi nandun na nga sila. So, ngayon, try natin mag-edit, ka-blessed. Merry Christmas, San Jose, Kiblawan. God bless you and thank you so much. And kita-kits tayo soon. Anyway, thank you for watching.